Place bicarbonate on your neck and you will be surprised by the result. Join me until the end, and I will show you everything that can happen when you dare to place bicarbonate on your neck. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that once you know it, you will thank me all your life. Sodium bicarbonate is an excellent antioxidant and cleanser. It controls nausea, improves pH, and increases energy. Before I tell you what it is to place bicarbonate on your neck, I will show you some uses of bicarbonate that will be very useful to you. With the first trick, we will eliminate the fungi. We will only need to add a tablespoon of bicarbonate to a container and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And we will mix very well until the ingredients are integrated. Both sodium bicarbonate and apple cider vinegar have antimycotic properties, so they can help us fight fungi in the nails if we are constant with their application. The greeting of today's recipe is for Felipe Castillo, who follows us from Bolivia, and Carla Contreras from the Dominican Republic. Remember that it is very important that you write from which country you follow us to be able to greet you in a next video. Now we will place the mixture on the affected nails for 5 minutes. We can use that same mixture on our hair to fight scab. In addition, apple cider vinegar and bicarbonate have properties that repair hair damage caused by dyes and other chemical substances. Apply this apple cider vinegar and sodium bicarbonate treatment 4 times a week. This is a natural option to fight fungi in the nails. Now that you know the benefits in the nails. Our second trick is to exfoliate. In a container, we will add a tablespoon of bicarbonate and a tablespoon of water. And we will mix very well until a paste is formed. Then apply it on your legs after shaving for 3 or 5 minutes. Once this time has passed, remove it. Bicarbonate also helps to clean the face and also gives back the shine to the face that we often lose due to pollution and toxic agents. Now that you know what you can use bicarbonate for, it's time to tell you what happens when you put it on your neck. The first thing we should do is add a tablespoon of bicarbonate to a container and also 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And once the coconut oil is placed, we must mix very well. Coconut oil contributes to a more uniform skin tone. It is shown that in the face and skin, it counteracts the spots. Once the coconut oil and bicarbonate are mixed, we will add the juice of a lemon and continue mixing. The lemon, due to its high antioxidant content, helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and scars. It has a great antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing power. Helps fight acne. If you have come this far by watching our recipe, leave me the following message below: bicarbonate masks. Then apply it on the neck and let it rest for 20 minutes. This mask will help you whiten and smudge your neck very well. You can apply it on the elbows, armpits, knees, between the legs, or any part you want to lighten. You should only reuse this mask once a week at night. The exfoliation step can be done twice a week. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to receive each video we publish.